Good morning, good afternoon. My name is Lovely Miracle. Welcome to Lovely Miracle Kitchen today. Today I'm going to introduce to you the way our native moi moi, we call am, for Bini language we call am emieki. So guys, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to put the beans on fire now so that it can boil. We leave the beans like 30 minutes. It's okay, 30 minutes. So guys, okay guys, now it's time for us to blend, to mix the plantain together. So wait, I'm going to repeat the same process. Okay, stay tuned guys. Now I'm going to apply my pepper and onions together. So stay tuned guys. Guys, this is our plantain paste. Look at it. It looks like a beans paste. You see? Now I'm going to apply my amala. I'm going to mix it together gradually. I add little water to get the kind of paste you want, because I want my whole paste to be soft to light. So that's why I apply water on it. It's time to put salt and the beans. You have to mix it with the beans. So stay tuned guys. Guys, it's time for wrapping. Normally I'm supposed to use green leaf, but I'm not in Africa. I'm going to use cellophane, but it will still give me the same results. Okay guys, I will repeat the process of wrapping it. Okay guys, I am done with the wrapping. You can see now it's going to go down to the boiling water. So we're going to leave this like 30 minutes. Okay, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, our native moi moi is ready. It's ready. Look at it guys. Let me open it so that we can eat it together. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. Whoa. So yummy. Look at it. Native moi moi. Bini Native Moi Moi. Guys, give me thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. If you are a new subscriber, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Keep on watching, and I'm trying to do the best for you guys to learn. Stay tuned. Bye.